In this video, we will show you how to design load balancing before installing the transfer switch. Open your load center. Document the existing circuits on a panel schedule. Make sure the main breaker is turned off before performing any operation. Remove the dead front cover. Identify the breaker bus bars and label L1 and L2 on the panel schedule. Select the circuits that will be connected to the transfer switch for backup power. Assign a transfer switch breaker number to each selected backup circuit on the panel schedule. Make sure the backup loads are properly balanced between L1 and L2. Label each backup circuit with its corresponding transfer switch breaker number. Upgrade or change the miniature circuit breakers on the manual transfer switch according to the panel schedule. Follow the installation instructions to complete the wiring. Finally, complete the transfer switch circuit directory. Verify that all circuit names, transfer switch breaker numbers, and phase assignments are correctly documented. Your transfer switch is now installed with properly balanced load design. For more information, please visit us at naturesgenerator.com.